Look at the sunset. I don't know. I don't think we're allowed to be there. And it's locked. I mean, you got guns, right? We can shoot it. This guy right here, yeah, he's trying to go into deep forest. We don't even know what road is this. He just want to go. Whatever. How was the nap, Sue? It was good, huh? What about you, Erose? Yep, we are going to camp.
Yo, what's up, guys? Make sure to subscribe.
You want to go camp by the lake again?
The circle will not make it here, man.
Yo, how is he gonna return? Sue cry. Yo, the road is getting smaller and smaller, bro. You sure about that? Bruh. Yo, what the heck? Yo, what? What kind of road is this?
Fuck, man.
Oh!
There's no return.
Wait, left or right?
Of course, go left, guy.
Okay, let's go left.
Let's go left.
Oh man, look at this dude. Where the hell are we? In the middle of nowhere. Let me go see. Look at this dude. Now we're gonna have to drive back all the. Yo, what kind of road is this? Yo, good luck, bro. Good luck. If you really want to drive through, good luck. Man, this guy does not came here to camp. He came here to destroy his car so everybody can walk back home. Yo, the road is just right there.
Oh, let's go back here.
Are you ready to go back? Yeah. So I guess we're gonna have to go back.
This guy learned his lesson.
To the same way that we just came from. All right, we're gonna start heading back. Let's go.
How do this?
Damn, you can. This guy. Look at this dude. This is not even like a road for a car. It's more like a hiking trail.
Oh, shit.
Oh. What the? So he's about to cry tonight. Watch his car. Look at his face. I can see it. So, what do you think? What do you gotta say?
Good, man. Good.
Good.
Very good. Very good. We're making, man. Oh shit.
Okay, thank God. Now we finally made it back to the campground. We are here in the camping spot. We camped here before last year in May, I think. It was a little bit cold. This one, April. Yeah, April. You can hear people from the other side. Yeah, there's nobody. Yep, I remember this place. Before you camp, before you actually camp, explore around first. We got a small lake right there. That's where people camp right there. So far we got the best spot. It's a little bit like private, you know. We're gonna stay here today, tonight, till tomorrow, and then we're gonna start heading back. Just pretty much one night. Perfect. Now let me go get my stuff and bring it right here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. What's good? What's up? Your bag? Did you even bring it?
What? My bag? I don't know, dude. I brought it.
Yeah, you take it out, right?
Yeah.
You take it out?
Yeah, I did. Where did you take it out?
His bag.
Where did you put it from?
He's not there?
Where do you put it? Did you bring it? Did you bring it? Did you take it out?
Yeah, I see you take it out with the two things.
Yeah.
But do you went back in?
No.
Then do you leave it outside? We didn't see anything. Don't tell me you forgot to bring your bag.
Oh.
What? I thought you did, because you told me to give me. No. So when I was in
you bring the two that there. You.
Listen, when I was in front of your house, right? You gave me the two sleeping bag, right? And then you went back in. Did you leave something? Did you leave anything? This dude right here, sometimes his brain does not work in the morning. In the morning, when we get to his house, I sit in front of his house. You open up the door, he give me two sleeping bags, which is one of these two right here. I also did see he carried his bag in front of his door, and after he went back in, put it away. So he went back in, get the AK-47 and leave his bag.
So I do this.
Gonna set up my hammock right here. Come on, you got this, bro. Show off your move, yeah? Show off. This is all my camping gear. I got my .22 gun, my whole bag and sleeping bag, extra bag for my camera gear, jacket. I got 2 jackets, 2 pants, should be good enough. There are a lot of mosquitoes. Keep biting my back. So here's the plan. I think I'm gonna set up my hammock right here between one of those 2 trees right here, and I'm gonna clear off the top a little bit, put some waterproof, I don't know what is it called, just some roof, you know, and I'm gonna clear off the floor. Okay, I'm gonna get my hammock. Yep, looks good. Yes. Perfect. I think my head is gonna be this way and my feet is gonna be that way. And I'm gonna set up the rain cover. Not just only rain cover, but it also protect from the cold. How you doing, mate? This guy's still mad about his bag. Now you know what to do next time. Yeah, how you doing, mate? Boss. Boss, commander. How you doing? Big boss. Then we got all the food right here. Yo, that's a lot of food. And this is his tent. I think I'm gonna get a tent like this soon. This is my sleeping stuff all set. If it rains, this part right here is gonna be wet. And maybe this part too, but if it rains, I'm gonna have to take this things out really fast. Put it over this. I'm gonna have to go inside of the tent. Look at this dude with the flag. How you doing, mate?
Mike?
I feel a little bit of rainy. We're gonna put this on top of the tent so that we don't get wet. I think I'm gonna join these 2 right here in the tent. Look at this dude. Cartel. Yeah, like that. I like hammock, but in the same time, I kind of don't. It's good, but you know. What is wrong with this guy right here? Sir, be his ass, come on.
Yo, can you explain yourself? What are you, man?
Alright, follow me, dude. Follow me. Come on. We go to war.
We finally make fire now.
With my bare hand.
With your bare hand?
Come on.
I know, right? Almost cooked. And this story, of course, lunchtime always noodles. Man, this guy with the with the AR-15. We still have a lot of time, and I'm just gonna explore around. People are everywhere. There's one people there, one people was fishing on the boat, and a few people right there. A lot of people right there. So go ahead, think about life. Go ahead, think about life. This is a perfect spot to think about life. around 3:06 in the middle of the day. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I can hear the raindrop a little bit. I think it's gonna rain tonight for sure. I'm just gonna go to sleep in the middle of the day and wake up at night or whatever. It's gonna be cold, but we got a lot of blanket, which is good. This guy right here, I was sleeping, yeah, now I'm awake because he blast his AR-15 right there, so loud. It's time to make dinner now. It's 6 p.m. The sunset is about 9 p.m. so we got like 3 hours left. How many eggs we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 eggs. And we got some veggie, potato, and then we got big giant beef. This is what my mom taught me not long ago. The knife is too big. So far, this is what it looks like. Watch. The rice is almost cooked. We got the beef. Now I'm cutting down the potatoes. I'm gonna make into a small. Yep, this is potato and beef. So far, this is what it looks like. Let me see. Traditional.
No, it's never good water. Wait. Yeah.
We're gonna have to wait about, say, 5 to 10 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe it's cooked. Wow. Yeah, right, sir? Yeah, that should be good. You sure?
I mean, the soup is cooked, but not the meat.
This is my rice, potato, and meat. It's so good. It's just the rice is not fully cooked. Oh, I wanna go home.
Dude, let's go home.
Yo, let's go.
This is boring.
I pay 20 for the gas, bro.
Both of my shoes wet. You good, bro?
Yeah.
Seems like we're not gonna cook it anymore. We're gonna start packing and leave. And my shoes is wet, so I'm gonna go barefoot. I like this weather. Like, I want to camp during like this time, like during this weather. But it's just we just don't have proper gear, you know.